My name is Professor Gary Higgs. I am the co-director of Wizard at the University of South Wales. Our current research is looking at accessibility to services, public services, and we are looking in particular at some of the services that were hit during COVID and accessibility such as banks, access to green spaces and access to social and residential care. What we're identifying is gaps in provision. So for example, our most recent work is looking at access to leisure centres and sporting facilities and saying where are the gaps in Wales, and hopefully that will inform national sporting governing bodies to have a data set or a set of maps which they can use to target resources to various communities which lack facilities or access to, for example, green spaces within their local environments. And that was a key issue that cropped up during COVID, where obviously we were restricted to our local neighbourhoods, and therefore some people were not in a fortunate position to have access to these types of facilities. I mean, the beneficiaries, I think, of our research are a whole host of private and public organisations that are interested in geographical patterns of provision in their areas. So, for example, we've worked closely in the past with Teneford's Cancer Care when they are looking at potential locations for their mobile van units. I think our impact is that we're hoping to provide the kind of evidence base by which these kind of organisations can react to these maps and actually use them in a proactive way to plan the provision of services. So we're talking to various agencies, and we work closely with organisations such as Sport Wales, who are very interested in obviously using these maps to target resources to areas which are currently lacking access to these services.